Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day today. Thank you for watching my channel. And I just wanted to show you the awesome new feature that Cricut Design Space added to their features. So what you're going to do is, or I'm going to be showing you today, the offset feature. And a lot of people had been asking Cricut for this feature on Design Space, and they finally added it. So super exciting. So what I'm going to do, you can just follow along on my screen, is I'm just going to type a word out here. So grab the text. I'm just going to write hello, something simple. You can change the font if you want to something fun. You can keep it basic. So once that is done, you're going to go on, make sure it's highlighted. You're going to go on up here to the offset button, click on that, and as you can see, it's kind of, if you follow my mouse here, it's kind of highlighting around the letters on where it's going to offset, so what you can kind of see what it's going to look like. And you can go ahead and take that slider and slide it up a little more if you want it a little more or less. So you can kind of play around with that. So I'm going to have it about right there. So you're going to go ahead and click apply. And you can see here that it made, here's your text feature, and here is your shadow feature. And you can change it up here, the colors, you can kind of see. I think that looks so cool. I'm so glad that they added this new feature here. I'm just going to show you another thing real quick. So if I have, I'm going to write my name out here, and then go ahead to the offset again, and actually, you know what, let's go on up here and click weld to weld these together. So they switched some stuff around here on me. There we go. I'm going to weld the letters together, and then you can kind of play with it and bring the letters in more. Man, they really have switched things up here, and I don't even know how to bring my letters together anymore. That is crazy. Alright, let's just try this again. I'm going to get rid of this one. Okay, so here's my name, letter spacing, bring it together. We're going to right click and click weld, and then again you're going to go up here to offset and see how it, see, now that I welded everything together, it kind of does a bubble around the whole name instead of each individual letter like I did here. So when you cut something on your machine, it's going to cut out this entire piece instead of like here, it's going to cut out these separate pieces. So that's another option that you can work with if you are indeed going to be cutting out the shadow. So just wanted to show you that new option that Cricut Design Space just released. Super cool. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care.